Alright guys, I just finished the first paper airplane, and yeah, let's go on with the second. Alright guys, here's the second paper airplane. I tried to make it like skinny, so yeah. And here's my third paper airplane, guys, so, yeah, it's time to test these things out. Alright, so here's how this thing's gonna work. I'm gonna fly this and basically see how far it goes, and yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's get the second one. Here's the second one. Hold on. I got an itch. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that did not count, bro. That hit the wall. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here's the final plane. Okay, that was not the world record, bro. That was not the world record. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.